guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So today I wanted to film my skincare routine for my dry skin. I think in every single beauty video I've done, I've mentioned that I have dry skin. So I thought it would be a great idea to show you guys like the products I use, show you like a step-by-step. And yeah, I look a little crazy right now because I just woke up like 30 minutes ago. I feel like I have really bad dark circles because of my allergies. I've been scratching my eyes have been just watery. I'm still in bed, as you can see. I'm filming on my phone right now because my camera is dead and I do not have time to wait for it to charge. I really wanted to get a video up, especially since we are currently on lockdown with this whole coronavirus thing. I can't believe what's going on right now in the world. I think it's just crazy. But, you know, stay home, keep washing your hands. Only leave the house if you like really need to, like if you really need to go get like groceries or something like that. But for the most part, try and stay home so we can help prevent the spread of this virus, and you know, this can go away soon. I really pray that this goes away soon and we can return back to normal lives because it's crazy out here. But yeah, you guys, stay safe out there. I'm sorry if I sound like I'm talking a little bit funny. It's because I got Invisalign 2 weeks ago, currently on my second tray. For those of you that don't know what Invisalign is basically like retainers to help align your teeth to be straight. My teeth was always like one of my biggest insecurities because they weren't straight and I really wanted straight teeth. So I've been wanting Invisalign for a while and finally I got them and I'm so happy. It took me a little bit of time to get used to it. I'm still currently getting used to it, and I wanted to make a video on the process of Invisalign and how it works and stuff. So I'm probably gonna do that for my channel soon. But yeah, you guys, if you notice me talking funnier, that I have a lisp, or you're probably like, what the heck is in her mouth? It's my Invisalign. And yeah, so yeah, let's get started on this skincare routine. And let me go to the bathroom, let me grab my products, and yeah, I'm just getting my hair out of my face so that my hair does not get wet while I'm doing this, or that products don't get in my hair. Okay, so first I'm gonna take my Clinique facial soap. By the way, guys, all the products that I'm using, I'm gonna list them in the description below, so make sure to go check that out when you're done watching this video. Now I'm gonna mix. Okay, so next I'm going to use my Clinique clarifying lotion. This really does a good job in like removing all the dirt and oils from your face. So I'm going to get like a little cotton ball and I'm going to show you guys. Watch. So I'm going to take this cotton ball and apply a little bit of product. Look, I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of dirty. It literally removes all the dirt from your face. It's so good. So next, this is the Pixi Overnight Glow Serum. I know it says overnight. Sometimes I put it on in the morning, sometimes I put it on at night. It depends how I'm feeling, but I don't know. It's so bomb. But I apply this before I even put moisturizer on my skin. So I usually just put a drop on each side. So then after I apply the serum, I usually go in with the little face roller and kind of just press that into my skin. Okay, now that I let that sit in my skin for a little while, I'm gonna go in with my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. This is my favorite eye cream. I haven't used any other eye cream besides this one in months. I always use like my ring finger to apply it because you want to go in lightly Then I go back in with my face roller and roll that under my eye. So next I have my Clinique 72-hour moisturizer. This is my favorite moisturizer at the moment. Okay, and last but not least, I always finish off my skincare routine with the facial spray, and lately I've been using the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist by Tatcha. It's really, really good, so I just do a couple spritz on my face, and that is my skincare routine. Let me take you guys where there's better lighting by the window. This is what I normally do for my dry skin. As you can see, it's looking way more glowy now, way more dewy, and this is what I do because I have really, really dry skin, if I haven't said that already like 100 times on my channel. But during the spring and summertime, it gets a little bit better, but winter and fall, oh my god, my skin is like super dry. Okay, that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed my quick little skincare routine, and I hope it was helpful. Maybe you guys can try it at home while we're stuck in this quarantine lockdown, for whoever knows. Oh, I almost had a heart attack. So like I was saying, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching if you made it to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment, and share. I really want to try and film as much as I can since I'm stuck at home. So if you guys could give me some video suggestions, just comment that down below. That'd be really great and helpful. But yeah, I hope everybody stays safe. Let's stay positive and pray that this goes away soon. And I will see you all in my next video, hopefully very soon. So